Hey guys, it's Lee here from onlinemoneydairy.blogspot.ca, and I wanted to show you this app that I've started using called StreetBees. I've mentioned it a few times on my blog, but I haven't gone into huge detail, and I've shared my invite link a few times as well, but again, not great details. So StreetBees, so far, the only thing I've been able to do on it is quick little surveys. I call them surveys, or maybe poll would be the better term, but I do that and get $1 for doing the surveys. So right now, this is what the app looks like when I open it. And actually, what we'll do is we'll close out of it really quick. Here's what it looks like on my screen. And then this is what it shows. So the spots are limited. There's 66 left, so I need to do this right away just to ensure it gets done. I'll show you my history. This is my payment history. You can see April, I got paid, March $2, February 1, 2, 3, and this wasn't a paid one. December 1, November 2. Let's go back. Let's move this for a second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would be the amount. But there was one that went through that I did not get credit for because of how I answered one of the questions. It wasn't to their satisfactory or something. I'm not sure the best way to put that, but there's an invite, so you can invite people, and you can invite people. So you can invite people through like your people you text. There's Facebook, Gmail, Tweet, Reddit, or whatever's on your phone, basically for social media and such. That's some of the stuff you can invite people to. But what we'll do, I'm gonna click on this and show you what these look like. 3 minutes, and it wants a photo at the end. Okay, so this is how it is. Thinking about the following statements. How much do you agree? Hit got it. Because of my busy lifestyle, I don't take care of myself as well as I should. We'll say neither agree or disagree on that. Next question. I should do a lot more about my health. Slightly agree. Next question. How would your friends describe you? Fitter than other people, average fitness, less fit. Oh, I'm definitely less fit. At the moment, which best describes you? I'm improving my fitness, I'm maintaining my level of fitness, I'm becoming less fit. I'm becoming less fit, unfortunately, so we're going to choose that. I'm going to be honest, why not? And it's okay that you guys see. Do you own a fitness tracker, a pedometer, fitness watch activity tracker? No, I do not. I know what they are, but I don't own one. Please tell us the main thing that stops you from exercising. So this is the only thing I don't like is these questions where I gotta type just because I'm not into typing this way, but let me type something in here. So I'm self-conscious about my appearance and have social anxiety. What do you think you could do to overcome that problem? So that is certainly true for me, going for walks, buying my own equipment, and definitely following a better diet. Which system of measurement do you normally use? Metric and imperial. That would be imperial. Took me a minute to figure that out. Please tell us your height. Give your answer in feet and inches. I don't care if you guys know this, I'm very short. So I am 4 feet 8 inches. We'll send that through. Now it's probably going to ask for my weight, which is going to be recorded. And how much do you weigh? Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Last time I weighed myself, I was 187. How often do you exercise these days? Oh, probably once a month or less. We'll do once a month though. Which of the following activities do you do to keep fit nowadays? Yeah, I'm gonna click that because for me, it's going for a walk. Lately, that's the most. Typically, when would you prefer the exercise? For me, it'd probably be night, evening or night. If you had to choose, would you prefer to exercise alone or with others? Definitely alone. Who do you share your home with? Partner, spouse. And these, I mean, I don't care if you guys see this just to show you the app. And then it wants to know the industry I work in, which, yeah, it's not listed. So, whoops, we'll hit other. Actually, moving might have been listed, but that's okay. Which of the following describes your current relationship status? I guess it's going to ask my income probably. Oh, no, it's not. I'm surprised. So that's it. Now, usually it wants an upload at the end. All done. Submit story. I'm surprised. It had the picture like it wanted an upload, but it didn't ask for an upload. Sometimes at the end of when you do these survey stories, whatever you want to call them, there's usually an upload it wants. Like one time it wanted a picture of me, so I gave it a picture of me. Another time it wanted something I had read recently that intrigued me, so I just did a screenshot of an article on my phone, basically. That's basically what StreetBees is. I think it offers other things, but I'm not entirely sure. Like, it seems to depend on where you're based, and I'm in Canada, so far I've just been getting these surveys. Now, obviously, it's not going to make you rich. It's definitely just extra cash, but it's worth taking the time to look into. I mean, check it every so often. I check it about once or twice a day when I'm just messing around on my phone and kind of go from there with it usually. And it pays fairly quickly. The longest I think I've waited was a week, but once they like review it, because they do submit for review, of course, to make sure you're not like typing gibberish or whatever, obviously, and after they do that, they pay you. But what I'll do at the bottom of this video, I will, I think I probably have a link, maybe on Twitter or somewhere, of recent payment from them, so I'll share that with you guys where you can see that they do indeed pay. And I'll also put a link to StreetBees if you want to sign up under me. That would be cool. As always, I very much appreciate it. And then, of course, a link to my Twitter and blog. But thank you for stopping by. Feel free to leave any comments, questions. I will get back to you, and have a nice day.